Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp messages on your new phone. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm gonna guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the WhatsApp app. In order for you to restore WhatsApp messages on your new phone in the future, you must have backed up your messages before. So in order to do that, head over to settings. Here you can see three dots icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Now choose settings from here. Here you can see the chats option, tap on it. At the bottom you can see chat backup option, tap on it. In the chat backup page, here you can see Google account option, tap on it. Make sure you have selected at least one Google account in order to back up your chats. Or another way is to transfer chats too. On your old phone, you need to go to this transfer chats option, tap on it. Now tap on start. It will open up the camera app in order to scan the QR code. So after that, on your new phone, install the WhatsApp app. Now launch the app. As you can simply provide your same WhatsApp number as before. It will ask you if you want to transfer chats from old phone. So you can tap on continue. So you can scan this QR code from the transfer chat section on your old phone. So now it will ask you if you are looking for backup. So if you have selected a Google account for backup, you can restore your messages from there. Now tap on restore. So that's it. That's how you can restore WhatsApp messages on your new phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.